All right, just don't tell them what you're doing.
Alright, so today we got some light, some little intakes.
Some little. No more stilling.
Those are quote unquote colder intakes, but they're not enough.
Now he's actually getting a true coated intake.
Yeah. Okay.
So what are these, Z1s?
Yeah.
So these bad boys, instead of sitting right there, are gonna basically be sitting
Right up here in the front of the grill. I'm scared for this side. Like I'm gonna have to like move my horns. But Z1 says to just push them back. So let's hope they fit after that. If they don't, then I guess I'm going intakeless. Don't do that, guys.
Don't do all that. Don't do all that.
All right, y'all. So I already took my front bumper off, as you can see. Now I disconnected my battery already too. Now we're gonna get to taking off the intakes and the mass sensors. That's a pretty easy thing to do. It's literally just like that.
You like that?
Move that out the way somewhere. Keep that safe too. Just like that. Now we're gonna get to taking out the mass sensors. I'm pretty sure those are like 6 mils or an 8. You could use a Phillips head, but I don't want to do that because it's safer using the socket. Alright guys, so currently I'm about to take out the mass sensors with a 7mm socket actually. I don't know why it's not a 6 or 8, but 7mm. You want to be careful with these sensors. They're pretty like sensitive to like touch and dirt and debris.
So we're just gonna time lapse it until he takes off the sensor and then possibly the intake. I mean, those couplers shouldn't be too hard. They're just 2 clamps.
Yeah, those are easy. I took those off before.
So I just time lapse it until we finish taking those out.
Alright guys, we're about to get to the unboxing because we haven't done that yet. Took apart my whole car, forgot to take out the intakes and check if everything was actually there. If everything is not there, then like I said, we're going intakeless, I guess. I'm just playing. But right now, this is like the bumper support bracket. I had to take it off because getting these little pieces out on that side especially was not easy. This side I got it out without taking it off, but I just took it off for good measure now. This is what holds on my bumper. Screws, zip ties, tabs, you name it. It's a bit cold out for sniffing. Timmy just washed his car. He was like, yeah, it's 20 degrees out. Let me just wash the whip real quick.
White wheels, man. You gotta keep them clean.
Yeah, I ain't know that.
Don't get white wheels.
Get white wheel, guys. Just get them ceramic coated, and it's worth it.
I mean, mine's ceramic.
Still got dirty, but it came out real easy.
Yeah.
All right, but now, this is all the old intake stuff right here. This is the left side, passenger side. This is the driver's side. Right side of the engine bay. Left side of the car.
Yeah.
Driver's side, yeah.
Alright.
So, let's see. This is the intake, guys. Make it. You gotta fold it yourself. It's actually a DIY intake. We got a thank you note.
Thank you for spending your hard-earned money.
And this is also the install manual online. And they also send it to you when you buy the product online. Like it's in your orders from Z1 Motorsports. I'm pretty sure these are the intakes. That would make sense as these are boxed. This is the long tubes. Nice Z1 logo on there. Both sides. I think these are the little couplers. These either go to the throttle bodies or these are like right here so the curved tube can go there. We'll see. I'm not 100% sure what these are.
What are those?
What are those? I think these are these tubes. I have no idea.
We'll find out.
We're gonna find out. This is all the hardware, I'm pretty sure. Z1. Yeah, this is all like clamps and stuff. I can see it in here. Yeah. Z1 2.5 HR, VHR intake hardware. HR, boys. This? Oh, this is the aluminum piece. So this is the piece that comes from here to like here. You can order these in like carbon fiber, black, red, blue, any color you want. But I went with the aluminum so it could match my tank right here. I would have went with the carbon, but that's a little expensive. Bala status. So let me get this open, show y'all how this is. All right, so it's wrapped up in here, and they sent it real protected. Woo!
Bling bling.
Look at that polish. Imagine I dropped it right now. Dang, I should wear gloves. Oh well. I'll clean it up after, guys. Don't worry. Maybe. All right, so this way. I think it's this side.
Yeah.
No. This is this side. Because the mass sensor is supposed to be hidden on the bottom on these intakes.
So it's gonna be facing the engine, right?
Yep.
All right.
So that is that way. The other one is the other way on the other side. We'll see when we're installing it. All right, guys, this is the difference between my old still in Gen 2 cold air intake. Cold air. I mean, it was still a closed off box, so it was still technically a cold air, but as you can see, over time, it got like really dirty and like
Starting to have like
corrosion and stuff.
Yeah.
It's really ugly compared to the new Z1 one.
This is obviously longer, forcing more truer air into the engine, and it's more polished and clean, obviously, because it's new. But yeah, it's basically the same.
Oh, nice catch.
Hey.
That's the old one, at least.
Yeah, so they're both 2.5 inch, right?
Yep, 2.5 inch diameter.
Yeah.
This one's just longer because it's a cold air intake, so my intakes are gonna be like more in the grill down here and not up in the engine bay. These new cold air intakes are claimed to have between 11 to 16 horsepower on Z1's website, which without a tune, they said with just the Tome dyno tune, it was between 11 to 16 consistently across multiple Zs without a tune. After we put these bad boys on, I'm gonna see if we feel a difference from my butt dyno. Cause last time me and Timmy ran it in Mexico, I got my booty whooped. All I saw was Timmy go, yeah. I was like, no, Monica.
I do got the Purell intake, and to me, it honestly drives a lot smoother. So we're gonna find out. We're gonna find out which intake really gives power. Butt dyno wise.
Butt dyno wise. Alright guys, so right now I'm transferring my old mass sensors to the new pipes. I already took them out.
Oh, don't do what I did.
It's right here, guys.
Lucky it fell on the box, so it would have been
Right.
somewhere.
Nah, it would have been gone regardless, knowing my luck. But like, alright guys, that's enough for the intake install today. I'm done.
I'll see you guys
in the next video. Cars for sale. I wrapped my roof black too, guys, and I also put a little carbon duck bill on there.
He did, but the wrap doesn't look too hot.
Yeah, that was the first ever time.
It was a trial and error.
All right, so bam, there's only one way the sensor goes in. Bop. Bada bop boop pow. Now you want to screw it down. All right, y'all, so I got a carb sticker because this is carb legal in California. So if you want to, I mean, you put an exhaust on over there, you're probably going to jail anyways, but you can get an intake. I'm gonna slap this on for no reason.
He said jail.
He said jail.
State rep.
Where I'm gonna put this? I should slap it like right here.
Nah, just wait. Just wait till you finish the intake.
I already took it off.
Oh my.
I could put it back on. Hey. All right, guys. So I'm grabbing the Z1 silicone throttle body housing pieces.
You good?
Yeah. So this basically goes here, plops on there. Pretty nice, but put the clamp on first. You need 2 clamps, 1 for each side, and yeah.
So I'm gonna put you guys on a tripod and help him do the other side. All right. So now for the aluminum pipe. You said the mass sensor faces down.
Yep.
So you sure this one's not this way? This one's right here. We're right underneath this button bar. wow. Look at this. What?
Oh no, yeah, that's why we take off the strut bar.
Oh, you gotta take off the strut bar?
Yeah, I should probably do that.
So we're gonna take off the strut bar first, because there was no way this was gonna fit.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna take this black box out because that's what you're supposed to do with this intake. So first of all, you 10mm bolt that you take out right here. And then just like that is out. Move this out of the way, and I'm pretty sure you just. Alright, y'all. Oh, I need a deep socket 14. Alright, guys, so right now I'm taking off the strut bar. I should have did this in the beginning, but we're doing it now. It's not too late to go back. Not a big issue here. I just need a 14.
Alright, let's see how tight this bad boy is.
Yep, I was struggling without the breaker bar. Yeah, now try it without the breaker bar like I was at first.
Like this one?
Yeah, just like that.
Well, here we go. About to break some knuckles. Nah, that thing's on there. What?
Yeah. I do want a new strut tire one day eventually. Lord Jesus.
Lord Jesus. Straight. This one in the back. Just on there straight. Constant, even pressure. There we go.
Y'all don't even really need a breaker bar for some things. You just need a jack and steal the handle off of it.
That's basically it.
And this has been here for the last like 3 years. This is OG breaker bar.
Honestly.
All right, we're gonna finish taking this off. I'm gonna help Timmy out, and we'll show you guys what it's like after.
I got mine loosened.
And I'm getting this last little nut off, and we chilling. Damn, I'm Stutter City over here.
That's how it be when you're recording.
Nah, that's how it be when you're cold. Talk myself. Damn.
Alright guys, so basically the strut power had these tabs too on here, and obviously just pinch the sides to pull them out. And then with this also, that piece, you just have to
Pull this out like towards the car, and it'll slide out.
slide out, yeah. But that's basically it. The strut bar is out. And now just someone is taking that hose off to replace it with one of these holes right here. So after he gets that out, then we'll show you guys how this part looks. Alright guys, so with this one right here, the longer piece, you basically just want to, we sprayed a little bit of WD-40.
I don't know if that's the right lubricant, but
It was like a very small amount, just to have it somewhat lubricated, and then you just basically have to shove it all the way in there. So I think we have to shove this a little bit more in until it reaches about right here. So we're gonna do that after.
all right, guys. So me and your boy Timon sat here struggling with this and this big pipe hose silicone mabob right here for like an hour. I was like, maybe I should put this in here so it fits better. And now that I think about it, the fitment should be way better. So I'm gonna clamp this down. Don't forget to put that in there. Don't be, I'm just dumb. But the instructions are kind of bad. Obviously, one, I'm not gonna lie.
Call him out for it.
Yeah, the instructions are kind of bad. Not low key.
Say it with your chest.
Y'all, I'm just playing.
Yeah, so basically I put the smaller end on this side already, and it's perfect, it's tight. And then I just added this glass silicone tube.
I lied.
I think I still have to push it up more, but so far that's what I got done. More just sewn over here. You get the hard part.
All right, guys, so this little meta piece is in here like that. You just gotta pull it out. Me and Timmy got scared. We were like, hey, yo, it ain't fitting. Hey, yo. I was like, hey, yo, I didn't make it this far for no reason. And I was like, I looked at the install manual. I saw that stick out.
You said, hold on. All right, let's actually, you have to pull it out.
There's like 7 pictures and then like 40 lines of instructions. Like, bro, I would rather you do a picture step-by-step instruction, because like,
book.
ain't nobody reading all that.
I read picture book. But yeah, so
you could also pull this out.
Yeah.
I mean, like, that's not really how it is, but.
And then I'm sure you put a clamp up here, right? And then another clamp. You put a clamp over that. Gotta loosen it a little bit.
Let's see.
Shove that bad boy right in there.
I don't know how this is gonna fit. Bam. Now we stick her in there. Bam.
I was about to say it has to be because you don't want any air leaks.
Yeah. All right, guys. So right now I'm putting back my battery, and I already checked everything. I plugged in mass sensors. I cleaned out my throttle bodies too while I was at it. So now everything's tight and stuff. I'm gonna turn the car on, start it up, see if there's any leaks anywhere. If there is, oh well, I ain't dealing with it today. Just playing. I think we're good. Oh yeah. Dang, I hear it from here.
So Justone's having a bit of a problem trying to put his front bumper on.
It's not fitting with my fake Nismo bumper.
His Fismo bumper. Either we installed the intake wrong because
I don't think it is wrong. That's how it is.
yeah, we have the intake sitting on the crash bar,
Which is how it is.
which is how supposedly it is from what Justone's saying. But yeah, look at the yacht. But it do look clean though
It do look clean.
when it works. If it works. But other than that, I mean, the install is done. But Justone also got a little duck bill right here, little carbon fiber for burr. How much you get it for? 100 off eBay. It don't look too bad. Look. I'll put it down for you guys. She looks pretty aggressive. Yeah. The weaves don't obviously match the Sabon carbon hatch. But from far away, I mean, looks pretty good.
Alright guys, so on to the next day. I actually had like really bad fitment issues with my bumper, so I came back and I ended up bending my intakes downward into the crash bar. And doing that gave me some space, so I'm gonna try to mock up my bumper. Hopefully it fits right, and I'm pretty sure this will be better on power end wise too, because the Fismo front bumper I have, the grill is on the bottom. This will lead air straight from the bottom up into the radiator and to my intakes. And this just looks much cleaner overall too. It looks more aggressive in my opinion. I like this style on the G35s and 37s, like the open grill, cold air intake showing. I love that.